You're a sweet girl. Just begin to sit up now and play sitting up. Show everybody what you're doing down here, Emma. Yes, show everybody. I know. Little poo animals are exciting. Sputnik, that's one of your favorite toys right now. Yes. You're such a big girl now. You can sit up. Yes, you can. Yes. She's big girl now. Are you big girl? Play with those feet. Woohoo! Woohoo! There she went. There she went. Can you get back up? No? Yes! Happy baby pose. Happy baby. Say happy baby. Say happy baby. Yes. Yes, that foot good? Yeah. Oh, that's a good foot. Wow.